Hi, I'm James Shillinglaw, and I'm here at ILTM Con once again. And I'm here. Last year we interviewed this gentleman before, Charles Richet, who's the general manager not only of Majestic Barriere, but the Barriere properties in St. Bart's, in Courchevel, and I believe some others here. We'll talk at Grès d'Albignon. We're going to talk to him about all these wonderful Barriere properties and a whole lot more, because there's always an update here on Insider Travel Report. Now, Charles, first of all, it's great to see you. Here we are in the lobby of your kind of flagship here, right?
Yes. Hello. Good morning, James. Very nice to have you back with us this year and to be at the Majestic. Majestic is really the place for the ILTM show, and it's always great to have you.
It's right across from the Palais, yeah. And everybody's going to do. But it has been the place. Now, is there any? You updated the hotel a few years ago. Anything happened since then?
Yes. We always update. Every year we do new things. This year we're redoing a lot of rooms. We always refresh. Every year we refresh rooms, and this year we're going to do another 60 rooms. And the big news at the Majestic this year is the beach. We're redoing completely the entire beach club. So next spring, the beach club will be totally refurbished. So very nice. So every year we do things to maintain the product 100% and to make sure all our guests are so happy to be back again at the Majestic. It's great. And at the Barriere Group, we do things like that. We maintain the product and we upgrade as soon as we can to make sure all our guests are happy to come back.
Well, you have the Fouquet's Bar here as kind of the centerpiece. Everyone meets at the Fouquet's Bar for ILTM, yes. And it's really a great place. But here in Cannes, you also manage a smaller property, which I've been lucky enough to say, called Grès d'Albignon as well. Talk a little bit about that one.
Yeah, Grès d'Albignon is really a nice 4-star product. Next door to the Majestic, beautiful beach as well. Mademoiselle Grès. Very nice product with balconies. All the rooms are balconies. Very nice. You can walk everywhere to the beach, to the shopping area. It's next door to the Congress Center as well. So it's really a key location. Very much.
No, it is a great little hotel, very, very boutique. And then, of course, you married. I don't know how you do this, but you go all the way to St. Bart's, yes. And manage the Carl Gustaf, which is a resort in St. Bart's, right?
Yeah, St. Bart's is really a very nice high-end property. It's one of the top property of the group, and right in the Gustavia, we open a nice beef bar restaurant in November. So it's really a key location. Beautiful beach club as well, Shelona. It's the room product is amazing. It's really fun to be in St. Barth. The St. Barth vibe is really what we.
Well, I have to go by. I have to go. Last time I was on a small cruise ship and stopped and saw a few of my friends there, but I didn't get to the Carl Gustaf. So next time. And how often do you get over there?
I go there like 2-3 times every year. We have a nice manager over there, William Numa is based over there, and he's really in charge of the property.
Now you go from the beach to ski in Courchevel. Yeah. Talk us a little bit about your Courchevel property.
Yeah, Courchevel is amazing. It's been running since 5 years now, 6 years this season, and it's really it's palace level, so it's really the top notch. And location is superb. The room product is amazing. Beautiful spa, huge spa, restaurants, and a beautiful terrace. This year we have a nice terrace. We refurbished totally, and with a very nice ambiance on the terrace. Facing south with sunny terrace. Really beautiful.
And you can go skiing.
Ski out. It's really on Belle Côte, really prime location of Courchevel 1850. It's one of the key locations. That's why the hotel is doing so well. It's really it became really the place to be in Courchevel. I'm really amazed.
So you're the place to be in Cannes.
Yes,
you're the place to be in Courchevel. Maybe the place, one of the places to be in Saint Barth.
Yes.
And everybody knows Fouquet's in Paris, right?
Yes,
so that which you don't manage, but it's part of the group.
No, and that's what's key. And you really it's a very good summary of the Barriere brands. We have always key locations. Really, in Deauville, in La Baule, in Paris, in New York now, Saint Barth, Cannes. in Alsace as well. Westminster, 2K, we really have key destination. That's what we're very well known for.
Well, I've been coming here to Majestic for a long time. I meet a lot of people here. I just told you, I never stayed here. It's not up to him. It's up to ILTM to where they put me. But one of these days I'll rate and I'll get to stay right across from the Palais. We'll see what happens. But I've been coming here for 20 years.
Very honored to have you here.
Well,
James.
I'd be very honored to stay here, and then we can do the interview, and I'll look all over the place. But I've got to go see your other properties too, which are pretty amazing. I've stayed in Grey d'Albion. So we'll see what. Well, congratulations on all these, and then where can travel advisors go to find out more about all your properties?
Yes, definitely. You know, you're more than welcome to come visit, because you need to advertise and to let all your readers know about our brand. It's a great brand, really.
What's the URL for the website?
It's Barriere, barriere.com.
Okay, there we go. That was easy. Yeah, there we go.
Really,
so you go there and you'll find out, because they have a lot more than these properties that you do, Charles, but there's a lot of other things going on in the Barriere Group, as we learned. Yeah. Again, great to be here, as always, every year in Cannes, and we'll have to catch up next time, and next time maybe they'll let me stay here.
Yes, definitely. You know, more than welcome to come stay here with us.
I'm James Shillinglaw, and this is Insider Travel Report.